In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create yourself a graphic design agency. And you know what's the best part? You don't have to do the work yourself. You will outsource the work. Actually, we're just going to drop service it. And the tool, the website that we're going to use is called Penji.co. Meet your new design team just for you. Now, I honestly can't tell you how many opportunities you can grab with this one. First of all, there's a lot of content out there on the internet. And everybody is looking to create something, right? Because they make money on it. So what people actually do, they just go over to freelance platforms such as Upwork. They want to find freelancers. Or they just go over to Fiverr.com, which is extremely high in fees. So they tend to pay more than it's actually needed. And if you head over to the section graphics and design, you will see that there's a lot of demand, a lot of categories. But with Penji, you can do it all. Logos, animated graphics, book covers, illustrations, you know the drill. Everything. There's 100 plus more services, YouTube thumbnails even. So what comes to my mind and what I actually try with this one is that I pay for a monthly fee with Penji. There's a link down there in the description. You can click on it and head over to Penji right away. And actually, what we can do is we can outsource the work. So we're going to charge, for example, $100 for a certain item, and we're going to make profit on it because Penji has a monthly fee. So have a look at this. For example, if I head over to logo design and I choose one of the persons here. For example, I just took this one. As you can see, one simple logo on this Fiverr gig is going to cost me $130 for the basic package. Standard and premium are, of course, more expensive, but you can see that this works. 5,000 reviews. That's at least 5,000 satisfied customers that this person has. So you can just do the math, how much money that is. So if you make yourself a gig on Fiverr offering logos, you can make huge deals of money and you don't have to do it yourself. But also, there's book cover designs. Have a look at this. 1.4 thousand reviews for this Katarina whatever. Starter package is $95. Standard is $135. Premium is $175. That's a lot of money. And if you have a look at Penji.co and if you head over to the pricing section, you will see that it's only $500 per month. Honestly, yeah, I said it. It's only $500 because if you take just logos, that's 4 of these. You sell 4 of these per month and you already have your money back. Only logos. And you can do a lot of things. You can create 50 gigs on Fiverr.com. Now, this is not a get rich quick scheme. This is not something that it's just going to rain money to you. You have to go and create gigs. You have to go and organize everything. You have to respond to messages on Fiverr, but you don't have to do the work. How this works is that they've got a lot of freelancers. They've got an entire team which will generate all of these things that are on this page. If you see a complete list, you will get the ideas what you can sell on Fiverr, on Upwork, or you can even go with just social media. I'm sure that you've seen all of these theme pages on Instagram. They've got a lot of followers, they've got a lot of posts, whatever. They earn money with shout outs, affiliate programs, whatever. But no one is asking them, who is making your content? What needs to be done in order to make this content? And they need to make at least 2 posts per day. These are your customers, all right? You can just go and contact all of these people out there and offer the service to them. If you're not satisfied with Instagram, well, then just head over to YouTube. There's an insatiable demand for content on YouTube. And I'm not just talking about the videos. Whoever has a channel, they need thumbnails. And you can just contact all of these people. Okay, just get the email address and contact the people out there. Offer the service of YouTube thumbnails. And then trust me, these $500 is gonna be the best investment that you have made ever. All right, first of all, look at this. 1-2 days delivery if you just choose this one. This one has same day delivery, but you don't need that because on Fiverr, for example, this person says that he's gonna deliver in 2 days. That's all that you need, and you've got 2 revisions. Trust me, the opportunities with this are endless. Also, what I've seen is that they are really good. People are satisfied with them. And all you gotta do is to make yourself an account. You can just see how it works like in real time if you just have a look at this video. All these people are doing, well, they have a lot of freelancers, as I've told you, and they have them on demand. All right. So there's a lot of tons of people out there who are going to create whatever you need. All right. All you have to do is to act as a middleman. You can just act as a middleman and you can charge extra for it. They will not ask you any questions, all right? So no questions asked. You can charge whatever. And I showed you on Fiverr, just have a look at this. All these things can be created with Penji's freelancers. All you gotta do is to drop service. And have a look at this. Our fixed rate billing model gives you unlimited design projects done without limitations. All right, create a project and we'll match you with a designer instantly. But of course, my recommendation is that you go and make yourself a few gigs. As I've told you, all of those categories, make as many as you can. And you don't have to purchase Penji's subscription until you get few orders. All right. Let's say, for example, that you go with logo design. You will just wait for the first order and then you will go and pay for a monthly fee on Penji. And trust me, this will just accumulate. Once you get started with the first orders, it's just going to be snowball effect. And we've seen from these prices that you only need like 4 of these per month in order to get back that money that you have paid for a monthly fee on Penji.co. And after that, well, it's just profits. Now, you can just go and take a bit more deeper look inside of this one. You can see what they offer. Have a look at this. This is good for print-on-demand businesses. Now, there's can be like these beauty things, beauty packaging. I mean, there's just tons of things here which can be done immediately for you. All right. Also, in this art gallery is something that you can take and you can paste on your Fiverr's gigs, just like all these people are doing. All right. They're pasting their work and you can see like their experience from before, and you can do the exact same thing but with Penji's photos. All right. This is going to give you more credibility with customers on Fiverr.com. And honestly, whichever one of these niches you take, there is going to be a demand for it. As a matter of fact, if you have a look at my dashboard on Penji, you will see that I run multiple projects at once. So, ebook covers, cocoa stand, all of these can be done simultaneously. You've got a lot of freelancers, and you can just make use of all of those. Now, the things here are pretty simple. As you can see, you can just go and click on new project, and then you just have to name the project. So I just go with certain ebook cover or logo, whatever. And then down there, you have this recommendation. So is it one of these categories? So for example, if it's an ebook cover, click on that. And as you can see, expect your design completed in less than 24 hours. It is important to select the most relevant category to match like with the best designer out there. So just have that in mind. Now click on the next button, then you will choose the dimensions. Of course, the customer is going to tell you what they need. Click on the next button once more, and then there's going to be a description. You have brief explanation of what this description needs to be. And my suggestion is that you ask a lot of these questions to your customer, because the more you ask, the more input you will have for Penji, and that's always going to be great. Make sure to get an answer from your customer for each one of these notes. Here you can as well upload certain files if your customer has sent you, and then you just have to choose what kind of file you would like to get. So whether you want to do it in Photoshop, Illustrator, PDF, whatever. Down here you have associated brands, and all you gotta do now is to click on Create Project. We live in a content creation world, and there's such a great demand for content and like all of these social media platforms. And what real estate agents can do with like real estate, well, you can do in a content creation world. All you gotta do is to connect the customers with the clients on Penji. So just act as a middleman, and there's a lot of money for you. Do the research, make a good plan, and just start with it. Wish you good luck, and I'll catch you next time.